I think I'm watching TV. It's still pretty bad though, man.
Yeah. Alright. Worse than the dryer than it is out here.
Yeah, I'm all in the damn shadow in the damn thing anyway.
That's the dryer right there.
Good grief. It's so much lens, it's clogging up my damn photo lenses. Get me in your mouth. What's the longest you ever let yours sit and didn't clean it?
You gotta know to clean it first.
You're right though. It ain't just to being in on the dryer.
Mine's on the roof.
Is it? Dang. Dang. So when you go and clean them, they really good and thick, I bet you. Cause they're going up.
I'll run it in there one more time. If it ain't spinning up,
It's clogged, ain't it?
then it don't have enough room to spin, I mean it's still clogged a little bit. That's how you want it to do right here all the way down. So I can knock that stuff off. You know, it stopped all of a sudden from plopping.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the back of the dryer of the tube going in it.
Yes,
It
sir.
made it as far as